Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn squaring of numbers between 50 and 60. So how to write square of numbers from 50 to 60 in seconds. Okay, I will write the answers first. Afterwards I will explain you the method. So here the answer is 2601. Here the answer is 2704. Here the answer is 3025. Here the answer is 3136. Here the answer is 3364. So with the help of this trick, we can able to write square of numbers between 50 and 60 in fraction of seconds. So here the 51 square is nothing but 2601, 52 square is nothing but 2704, 55 square is nothing but 3025, 56 square is nothing but 3136, 58 square is nothing but 3364. So we written all the answers within fraction of seconds. Now I will teach you the trick. You can also write all the answers within fraction of seconds. Here I am taking one example, 56 square. So we have to find 56 square. Just you see here, half of 50 is nothing but 25. For that 25, add 6. What you will get? 31. Write that 31 here. 6 square is nothing but 36. 3136. This is the answer for this. So one more example. 57, 58 square I am taking. Okay. Half of 50 is nothing but 25. 25 plus 8. How much? 33. 33. 8 square is nothing but 64. So what we have to do? We have to make half 50. 50 half is nothing but 25. For that 25 we have to add units digit value. Okay. After adding we are getting 33 here. Write that 33. Square that units place value. Write it here. So that will give you the answer. So one more example. 51 square. 51 square is nothing but 25 plus 1 is nothing but 26. Half of 50 is nothing but 25. For that we have to add 1. It becomes 26. Okay. 1 square is nothing but 1. Don't write like this. If you write directly 1, it becomes 261. But instead of that, you write 01. 2601. Why? Because 50 square is nothing but 2500. So 51 square should be more than 2500. So that's why write as 01. Similarly for 52 square. How much? 25 plus 2. 2704. So like that we can write square of a number from 50 to 60 in fraction of seconds. Now some questions for your homework. So you write the values of 53 square by using this method, 54 square, 57 square, and finally 59 square. So these questions for your homework. Write the values by using this method. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.